You mean it feels amazing up here?
I'm cold-blooded.
Okay, that was pretty awesome. It's about to get even more awesome because we're gonna go all the way up there to the second level now. Okay, this is probably the most dangerous part of the hike. It's super steep. If you fall here, it is game over, bro. Game over. Oh, hey, that's where that dude from The Lord of the Rings lives. The guy that goes, "My precious."
Really? Yeah. Where? Huh. They can't get up here. We're superhuman. Fucking Wolverine. Whoa.
We're drawing crowds.
Dude, isn't that cool?
Did they say hiking once? What is like,
Yeah, but no one gives a shit.
really?
Yeah.
No one gonna try.
Who's gonna... You think there's like a cop up here? Like, here's your ticket.
Dang, dude,
Fucking mountain cop?
Dude, we're hella high.
Yeah. We're so high.
Hey. Hey, just do a front flip here.
Let's go. Right, this is like a secret path that nobody knows about. Except for me.
What the heck is that? There's something moving over there. Oh, hey, it's a cute little Bigfoot. What up, man? Been looking for you. What was that? Not today? Oh, whatever, bro. Psh, get out of here.
Dude, I just ran into a Bigfoot. I was about to knock it out, but like it saw me, and it was like, oh, it got scared of me, and it just ran away, dude. Crazy. You know what? I'm just gonna run the rest of the way. Beast mode, activate.
Run.
Beast mode, deactivate.
All right, I just got hit with a great idea. I'm gonna go take a look over the edge of the huge waterfall we were just at, you know, just to see how it looks. Let's take a little peek. Whoa! Hey, if I slip and fall here, I am 100% dead, or your money back guaranteed. Helicopter ride?
Nope.
Hey, check it out. Found some cherries. I read online that it's super safe to eat wild cherries, so let's try them out. Amazing. You guys know what time it is? It's drone time! Surprise, we're stuck in a tree now. You know, just what I needed. You know, everything was going great, had the cool music going. Just, we're stuck in a tree now. Came out of nowhere. Okay, so the drone had to perform a little emergency crash landing. And, you know, so how are we gonna get it? It's all the way up there, like at the second level. So I thought of you know, we bought a ladder, came back the next day, and we're rock climbing the mountain with the ladder now. Which I don't think has ever been done before.
Like, we're doing revolutionary stuff here. Okay? If you think I'm doing revolutionary stuff, like the video right now. Hey, Brandon, do a backflip. I'll catch you. Crazy. This is crazy. We're crazy. Okay, I couldn't hear him very well, but I think he said to go give him the ladder. Okay, where the heck is this kid? He's been taking a while. I'm gonna go check on him. Should have been here by now. What'd you guys do today? Oh, nothing. We just climbed the mountain with the ladder. What, are you crazy? Yes, I am. Crazy lives matter. Oh, crap. He made it to like the 3rd level. I thought he meant to give him the ladder, but I guess he just did it by himself. This dude's crazy. Dude, you're crazy! Might be that way, to the right. Up there, maybe? To the right. Yo, this dude's like a mountain goat. He's just climbing like nothing. This dude is crazy. Nothing? Damn it. He says he doesn't see it. Shit. Looks like we're not gonna recover the drone. He doesn't see it up there. I don't know if it went to like another dimension or like some portal or something. I've heard there's like portals here to like other dimensions, like the hollow earth or something. So I don't know. Oh, look at this kid. Wait, what the heck? Does he have a tattoo? I didn't even know that. Look at him. This dude's ripped. I'm more massive though.
All right, we got to get out of here. Our little rescue mission for the drone failed, but hey, we still had fun. Rest in peace, drone. Rest in peace.